That idiot in front is trying to cut you off. Are you even listening to me?
Not if I can help it.
We can't lead the cops to this meet.
Why not? Jericho's guys will take care of it.
Darius, we can't... Move this car, Darius. If the cop grabs us, I'm looking at 5 years.
And that'd be a real tragedy for the rest of San Francisco.
Man, I feel alive today. Don't you feel alive? Everything feels so positive.
Darius, are you on something? Cause you talking like you swallowed more than a toxin. Damn, boy! Hey, do something, Darius. Fancy driving, Darius. Real smart. This ain't right, Darius. Why the cops always gotta be there just as it's going down? It's like I'm cursed.
Ordell, believe me, today is your lucky day.
Damn! You're doing good, Darius. We're losing. All right! Cops are gone. Now get us where we're going. And quick. Man, you're chewing up our time driving like a little girl. Hit the gas. This is why they need to let me drive.
I can't take my eye off Ordell for too long.
Oh, that's nice work.
This kid Ordell is trying to work his way up Jericho's organization? I can't let this opportunity slip by. I'm gonna have to help him any way I can. Ordell, Williams, and Darius Spencer. Small fry, but they're working for Jericho's crew. Worth keeping my eye on. Just pick a card, John. Let it all go.
Oh, what?
No harm in a little more practice. So, I'm not a one-trick pony.
Hey, what?
got no filming permit for this street, Marie. Let's get to the agreed location.
Yeah. Ready to put the car in carnage?
Do you know something I don't?
Just keep your camera rolling, Jeff.
It's Jack, and this better be good. Here we go. Speeding cars are where it's at, so keep your eyes peeled.
Whoa, this is something special.
You know the deal. You see my baby. No more Aisha, aight?
Oopsie-daisy.
Who? You acting weird, talking weird, you on something? Oh, see that? You know.
Not quite Bonneville Flats, but good enough for cable.
We got our speed freak! Come on, give me some tire smoke!
Tire smoke. Love it.
Drifting's cool, but I want to see cars colliding head on.
Another day, another airbag. What do you think?
I love it, but I want more.
If you say so.
You want an Emmy? Gotta bag us a big jump.
I know just the place. All right, who wants to jump their way into the big time? I'm gonna give Jeff some TV gold. Come on, fellas, who wants their 5 minutes of fame? Here we go, everyone. Hold on tight.
That's a wrap! And I smell awards. Best early evening low budget, people are stupid show.
We deserve it, Jeff.
Nice driving, Craig. 5 months worth of lessons, you're finally getting it? Nice driving.
You know what, pal? You're really pissing me off.
That's nice, Craig. We'll find you a clean pair of pants back at the office.
Oh, that does it. We'll see who needs new pants.
I'm billing your parents for this, Craig. This isn't funny, Craig. Let's just slow down and... Whoa! Great stuff. Good lesson. Now, pull over on the right here, please, Craig.
There's still time on the clock, and I want my money's worth. How about a discount on those lessons?
Oh, I see. This is extortion. Never. I have my dignity.
You do?
Go to school.
Ah, there you go. That was easy, wasn't it? Clean pants. Let's grab a...
First time it happened.
You know what? You want proof? Let me do something crazy with that guy and you'll get your proof. Now, where'd that jackass go?
Bro, just tell her you were with me, you drank too much, and you crashed my place. She'll never find out.
Never find out what?
Yeah, that's right, my boy.
This is gonna be fun.
Steady, man!
Check that out, Jones.
Who?
Jones, it's my new name for you.
Oh, crap, man. That guy's a complete maniac.
I'm the complete maniac.
Don't play me, man. You got a tip-off right now. What's he pumping? PCP?
Unbelievable. Okay, what if he pisses off the cops?
He's already pissing me off.
I mean other cops. Watch. Watch this, Jones.
I'm telling you, you just jumped the freaking car over a truck.
I did? Oh, we better find a cop and turn ourselves in.
What? No. Careful! You didn't.
It was the responsible thing to do.
You're bringing the whole precinct down on top of us.
You're right. What was I thinking? Hold tight. I'm gonna do anything I can to put things right. Lighter than it looks.
Use your damn eyes! Are you out of your mind?
Hey-o!
No! Please! Was it something I said?
Probably, yeah.
Just pull over so I can break your neck. What the hell was that?
That was a crash. You want to go again?
No! No, I'm good. Bro, I really don't like this.
Cool if I try that again?
No!
No, you don't mind? Or...
No, 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 no! Is this a joke? A terrible, not funny at all joke?
So, plans for tonight?
Go into hiding? Yes, yes! We're losing them! Did we miss?
Yeah, and I bet they won't be able to trace us, like the plate, the make, the color, all that stuff.
God damn it!
Yeah, good luck with that.
See that? I did that. Me, not him. Me. What? John, my mama could have told you that fool was gonna attract some heat. Give it up, man.
Right. $50 says he's hooked to a tow truck before they catch him.
Whatever, man. It's your money.
This is madness! What's got into you?
Trust me, you wouldn't believe me if I told you. Wait a couple minutes, then punch me in the face as hard as you can.
John, I'm just being realistic. John, I'm just being realistic. You've never raced before.